From mud walls to million-dollar dreams, the true story of Arjun. Arjun was born in a dusty village where dreams died quietly. His home had no fan, no internet, no luxury, just a mud floor, tin roof, and love that held it together. His father tilled the same land his grandfather once did. His mother woke before the sun to light the stove. Arjun? He was just a curious little boy with a sharp mind and a spark in his eyes. But every dream came with a question: will a poor farmer's son ever make it beyond the fields? Arjun's early school days were full of troubles. His shoes tore often, he skipped meals when money ran out, and he was once laughed at for speaking broken English in class. One day, during an inter-school debate, Arjun froze. He forgot his lines. The audience laughed. That night, he cried quietly behind his house. He decided, one day, I'll speak English so well, the world will listen. Years passed. Then came a turning point. A teacher gifted the school an old computer and said, "Try it, boys." Others played games. Arjun typed his name. Again. And again. That single act changed everything. He stayed after school every day, teaching himself word, typing, anything the old system allowed. Soon, he borrowed a neighbor's phone to watch English YouTube videos in 240p. Buffering was slow, but he was faster. He wrote new English words in a notebook every night. He didn't know the future yet, but this was his first step into it. Despite all odds, Arjun cleared his board exams with high marks. A rare scholarship followed. When he stepped off the bus in the city, the buildings looked like mountains and the language like riddles. He stayed in a cheap hostel, survived on vada pavs, and took up cleaning jobs in the evenings. In college, he sat silently at first. But slowly, word by word, sentence by sentence, his English began to speak for him. One night, Arjun got a call. His father had fallen ill. He rushed back to the village. Hospital bills mounted. He almost dropped out. But his father said, "You are our hope. Don't stop." With teary eyes and a heavy heart, Arjun returned to the city. He worked harder than ever. Slept 4 hours. Lived on chai and biscuits. But his fire burned brighter than ever before. In his final year, he created an idea, an app for rural farmers to check prices, learn farming techniques, and even connect with buyers. Everyone laughed. Who will use an app in villages? But he kept building. He launched the app from a laptop gifted by a college mentor. And slowly, users grew. 100. 1,000. Then, a journalist wrote an article, "The Boy Bridging Two Worlds." An investor called the next day. Arjun built his startup in a one-room flat. Hired college juniors. Slept on bean bags. Ate instant noodles. But today, his company operates in 4 countries, supports over 10 lakh farmers, and runs training centers in 20 villages. He still visits his village every month. But now, he returns not with dust on his feet, but with pride in his soul. This is Arjun's story. But it could be yours too. No dream is too big. No village too small. All it takes is faith in yourself, fire in your heart, and work in silence until success makes the noise. Subscribe now and start writing your own story.